Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. So to do this is pretty simple. So head on to your gallery and select that photo. So remember that photo should have a dimension of a 1 by 1, which is supposed to be like this. So when it's something like this, as you can see, it lowers the quality. So remember, when you're uploading a photo, it's supposed to be at the 1 by 1 ratio, which is already supposed to be HD. So you won't lose any quality. So basically that's how you do it. So when you go to your WhatsApp, go to your settings, you go here in your profile, you edit it right here, you upload it, so you choose photo, so choose photo, which is lagging right now, so let's just restart it. So here, choose your photo. So as we choose a photo, we go like this, and then it's supposed to be 1 by 1. As you can see, it's cropped. So when it's not cropped, as you can see, it will use the full quality of the picture. So there you go guys, that is how you set up a WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.